How to put little numbers above letters in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So let's take an example. There is this x2. If you want to make it a superscript, this 2 a superscript as a power of x, what you have to do is there are basically three different methods. Number one is select the 2, then on your keyboard press Ctrl and dot. This way it will become a superscript. The next step is again take this 2, select this 2, then go to format and then go to text, then select superscript. Actually, you will have to select this 2 as superscript, not the X. Go to format, text, superscript. And yeah, this is how you do it. The next step is simply go to insert, then equation, and you will have to find this x power b and write the number. Just like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.